Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can add a video file in Microsoft Excel. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. To bring up and open the Microsoft Excel, click on it under the best match and then click on the blank workbook. Now let me just increase the size for as to where I'm going to insert the video file. Now I'm going to insert it here. So click on this insert tab right here, which is the file home insert, which is the third tab at the ribbon. And here you will find this option, text. Click on this drop down arrow. And here you'll find text box, head and footer, word art, signature line, and objects. Object, click on object. Now this window will appear. You have the create new and the create from file. Now we need to choose the second tab, which is create from file. Click on browse for the video file, the destination of it. So I saved it in my desktop. And then I have this video. So you just need to click on insert. So you have here the file name. Now once done, you need to simply click on OK. And there you go. Just can also increase its size. If I'm going to add a new one, I'm just going to put it here. Again, we need to click on insert. Click on this text, drop down arrow, click on object. Click on create from file. Click on browse. So I have here in my desktop another video, which is the sample video. Click on insert. So we have here the file name. Now this is an MP4. Earlier is an MP3. Now we need to click on OK. Now it has been added. And if you want to access on it, simply double click on it. Click on open. And that's it. If you want to save it, you can click on this one, file, and click on save or save as. Click on browse for the location. I have it to save in my desktop. Then click on save. Now let me quickly close this. You have here for the book one, double click. And the same thing as that. So that's it. That's how you can easily add or insert a video file in Microsoft Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.